Katie with Vanport Mechanical, and we are back with more questions from homeowners answered. Today's question is a furnace tune-up really necessary? So a lot of homeowners don't do it. A lot of homeowners don't even know where their furnace is. But just like a car, your furnace has a lot of moving parts. And the older it gets, the more use it gets, the more likely it is to break down. So having your heating system checked out before you need to use it, getting a trained professional in there and eyes on the machine, that allows us to give you that forewarning so you're not stuck in an emergency situation when it's 30 degrees outside. Also, if you use a gas furnace that burns fuel to create heat, even the smallest issue in the combustion process could cause a safety hazard for you and your family. Having a professional maintenance done allows us to identify those issues and give you that peace of mind that your furnace is safe, that you're not going to have a crack in the heat exchanger or something else going on in that combustion process. Maintenance isn't just important for older systems. Some manufacturers will actually deny warranty claims if you don't provide proof that you're maintaining the system regularly. So yes, we do consider a furnace maintenance necessary.